Hey there, bargain hunters! Ready to save some serious cash at Home Depot? Well, you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount codes and start saving right away. Alright, let's dive in. Home Depot is a paradise for DIY enthusiasts and home improvement warriors, but it can also be a bit pricey. So, I've got some secret promo codes up my sleeve that will help you save big bucks. First up, we've got the New Movers promo code. Just moved into a new place? This code is your golden ticket to a 10% discount on your next purchase. Think of all the paint, tools, and gadgets you could snag with that extra cash. Next on the list is the Spring promo code. Even if it's not spring, you can still use it to get 20% off selected garden and outdoor items. Yes, that means you can finally afford that fancy grill or those stylish patio sets you've been eyeing. Now let's talk about the Military 10 discount. This one is for all our brave servicemen and women out there. Use this code to get 10% off your purchase. It's a small way to say thank you for your service. Oh, and don't forget about the email_sign-up discount. Sign up for Home Depot's email list, and you'll receive a sweet 15% off your first purchase. Plus, you'll get exclusive deals and tips straight to your inbox. Now here's a little hack for you. If you're shopping online, always check out the special buy of the day. These deals are insane and change every day, so you never know what awesome bargains you'll find. And of course, always keep an eye out for seasonal sales and clearance deals. Home Depot is known for their epic Black Friday and Cyber Monday discounts, so mark your calendars and get ready to shop. Remember, all these promo codes and offers are just a click away in the description below. So don't wait! Head over to Home Depot's website, use those codes, and watch the savings roll in. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more money-saving tips and tricks. See you in the next video!